That sound? That's the Dyson Pulse, and it's the universal signal that your Dyson V11 has officially quit on you. Squeeze the trigger, get a stutter, and then nothing. The technical culprit? It's usually a faulty motor assembly. Whether it's due to dust bypassing the filters or internal component wear, the motor eventually loses its ability to maintain a steady spin. It's the heart of your vacuum, and right now it's on life support. Ignoring those weird thumping sounds isn't just annoying. It puts extra strain on your battery and electronics. If left unchecked, a failing motor can lead to a total hardware meltdown, turning a fixable problem into a trip to the junkyard. But don't panic, RoboCare has the solution. Our technicians are highly trained specialists who live and breathe Dyson technology. With years of experience and thousands of successful Dyson V11 repairs under our belts, we understand the intricate architecture of these high-performance machines better than anyone else. To ensure a precision fix, we use advanced diagnostic equipment designed specifically to test Dyson's brushless digital motors. This allows us to pinpoint exactly where the internal failure occurred. Our team carefully disassembles the unit, removes the faulty motor, and installs a genuine replacement. We don't just swap parts, we recalibrate the systems to ensure your Dyson V11 delivers that signature out-of-the-box suction power once again. But enough talk, let's show you the result. Look at that. Maximum suction restored, and a motor that runs smoother than the day you bought it. We didn't just fix it, we optimized it for years of future cleaning. Ready to bring your Dyson back to life? Contact RoboCare today, visit our website, or call us today to schedule your repair.